honored to be here, and I insisted that for my joining, I have to have Madam Mahua Moitra, because she has been my inspiration, and a greater inspiration has been Mamta Banerjee, whom we fondly call Didi. I want to say that I was waiting for TMC before TMC was waiting for Goa. In the year 2016, I had visited Bengal on a normal trip, and as I was touring over there, the shopkeepers, the taxi drivers, the tour guides, without even me asking about Mamta Banerjee, they told me what was in their heart about Mamta Banerjee. The shopkeeper told me, "Amge garant udozo raha te Mamta Banerjee laguna ha." And the taxi driver told me, "Ye roste, ye lights sogle didin gaile." And the tour guides told me that whatever is good in Bengal today, all the Udorgati that is there, is because of Mamta Banerjee. On a day-to-day basis, ordinary people in Bengal have their leader in their heart. So I was waiting from 2016. And then I was watching Madam Mahua Moitra in the parliament, giving all kinds of exemplary speeches. And I said I had to have her. And when I was very young, I had seen an image, I had seen a picture. I had seen a picture of the ex-CM, Luizine Palero. And I had seen the picture of the Industries Minister and Education Minister. And that picture which I saw when I was a young child is what told me that my destiny is for Goa, is for legislation. So with this dream, I am a fresh politician. This is a fresh party in Goa. It's going to be a fresh dawn, no doubt about it. And we are going to do it together. We have always been a Congress sympathizing family. We have always been. Now, after seeing the way Congress is going, the way they do not intend to defeat BJP, the way they are allying with those forces that are not anti-BJP, we have come to know that they don't deserve any sympathy. And Goans deserve